Washington, recently released remote sensing photography of NASA's Operation Ice Bridge mission in Antarctica led to a fascinating discovery. When images revealed what some experts believe could be the existence of a possible ancient human settlement lying beneath an impressive 2.3 kilometers of ice. The intriguing discovery was made during aircraft tests trials of NASA's Advanced Topographic Laser Altimeter System LiDAR technology. Said to be launched on the Ice, Cloud and Land Elevation Satellite 2, ICESat-2, in 2017, that aims to monitor changes in polar ice. There's very little margin for error when it comes to individual photons hitting on individual fiber optics. That is why we were so surprised when we noticed these abnormal features on the LiDAR imagery, explains Nathan Borowitz, Ice Bridges project scientist and sea ice researcher with NASA's Goddard Space Flight Center in Greenbelt, Maryland. As of now, we can only speculate as to what these features are. But the launching of ICESat-2 in 2017 could lead to other major discoveries and a better understanding of Antarctica's geomorphological features.
Located in the middle of eastern Antarctica, a strange, oval-shaped structure, measuring 400 feet across may be one of the ultimate pieces of evidence that ancient civilizations once roamed Antarctica. Talk about ancient civilization inhabiting Antarctica has existed for decades. What if, in the distant past, when Earth and Antarctica was much different than today, an ancient civilization developed there, creating fascinating structures, monuments and temples there? Would we find evidence of their existence today? Curiously, there are numerous ancient maps that depict parts of Antarctica free of ice. One of the most controversial maps was without a doubt composed in 1513, by Turkish Admiral Piri Reis, who drew a map that would create a global debate over 500 years after him. The map depicts Antarctica, which was discovered between 1818 to 1820. But how is this possible? It has become a popular belief that ancient civilizations across the globe were in fact much more advanced than what mainstream researchers are crediting them for. Numerous maps discovered in the past are clear indications that the story told today by scholars is incomplete, and there are numerous missing links in our history. These missing links are being put together by these incredible ancient maps that prove mankind inhabited our planet much longer than what mainstream scholars believe. Perhaps these ancient maps, in combination with modern satellite images of our planet, are the ultimate evidence that civilization could have developed in the most inhospitable places on Earth in the distant past. According to numerous indicators, such structures have already been identified in recent years. Satellite imagery of the Antarctic continent has revealed several structures that are spread across the icy continent. While some of them can easily be explained as natural geological formations, there are some discoveries that question everything we know about Antarctica. Whether or not these structures are man-made, and are evidence of lost ancient civilizations inhabiting Antarctica is hard to tell, and unlikely according to mainstream scholars. However, there are numerous discoveries that point otherwise and suggest that we need to look at things from a different perspective. In 2012, a satellite image of Antarctica spotted a strange oval-shaped formation in one of the most remote places on the planet. Thousands of miles from society, the strange oval-shaped structure raised numerous questions among experts. At 400 feet across, experts analyzing the image ask whether or not this structure could be the result of Mother Nature. The unusual shape of the structure suggests it may be a man-made formation. Observing the image, we immediately notice how the rings of the structure resemble a structure in ruins, as if we were looking at walls that have been destroyed, collapsed ruins that have been covered by snow and ice. The image taken in 2012 clearly resembles something that may easily have been designed by someone. But designed by whom? The structure is located in the middle of Antarctica, one of the most inhospitable places on the surface of the planet, one of the most remote and untouched places on Earth, eastern Antarctica. While the structure may be a man-made structure, experts have to consider a natural explanation. A bizarre ice formation created heavy snowfall, low temperature, and Antarctica's freezing katabatic wind. Experts believe that what satellites spotted over eastern Antarctica may be oddly shaped sastrugi, sharp irregular grooves formed on a snow surface by wind erosion. Snow/ice dunes. However, sastrugi run parallel to the direction of the wind, and
leading archaeologist, Ashika Tripathi, of the Department of Archaeology at the University of Calcutta, believes the images show clear evidence of an ancient human settlement beneath the ice sheet. These are clearly features of some sort of human-made structure, resembling some sort of pyramidal structure. The patterns clearly show nothing we should expect from natural geomorphological formations found in nature. We clearly have here evidence of human engineering. The only problem is that these photographs were taken in Antarctica under 2 kilometers of ice. That is clearly the puzzling part. We do not have any explanation for this at the moment, he admits. These pictures just reflect a small portion of Antarctica's total land mass. There are possibly many other additional sites that are covered over with ice. It just shows us how easy it is to underestimate both the size and scale of past human settlements, says Dr. Tripathi.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe, like and share this video.